Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet the Trinity stitch. Chain any even number of chains. Make one single crochet into second chain from the hook. Now make 3 single crochets together and insert your hook into these 3 stitches. Here, here and here. Insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop. Insert your hook into next chain, yarn over, pull up the loop. And insert your hook into next chain, yarn over, pull up the loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Make a loosely chain. Make 3 single crochets together. Start in this stitch, then this and this. Insert your hook into the first chain, yarn over, pull up the loop, into the next chain, yarn over, pull up the loop, and into the next chain, yarn over, pull up the loop. You have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, then loosely chain 1. Continue until end of row number 1. And the last single crochet together. Only 2 chains left, which is exactly what we need. 1, then last 2 chains, 2 and 3. Yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. Now you will not chain 1, just make a single crochet into the same stitch instead. Sorry, into the same chain instead. Okay, chain 1, turn your work. You will repeat the same row all the time. So start with a single crochet into the first chain, then make 3 single crochets together, start in the same stitch. So 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, chain 1. Make 3 single crochets together, 1, 2 and 3, and yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, chain 1. Continue until end of the row. Last 2 stitches left, which is perfect, 1, and last 2 stitches, 2. And here we have a third stitch. Yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. Remember to not chain 1 this time, but make a single crochet into the last stitch, then chain 1 and turn your work. Repeat that row until you reach the desired length. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.